Andaman Islands, India is Asia's best island in 2021 according Travel and Leisure magazine. Made up of roughly 300 islands, only 37 of which are inhabited, this archipelago in the Bay of Bengal has tropical rainforests, silky beaches ringed by mangroves, and extraordinary endemic wildlife. Andaman Island is India's most remote state. The Andaman Islands are situated more than 1,000 kilometers off the east coast in the middle of the Bay of Bengal, connected to the mainland by flights and ferries from Kolkata, Chennai, and Visakhapatnam. The islands offer a lot to look at: limestone caves, rice paddies, orange plantations, and thriving reefs. Thickly covered by deep green tropical forest, the archipelago supports a profusion of wildlife, including some extremely rare species of bird, but the principal attraction for tourists lies in the beaches and the pristine reefs that ring most of the islands. Some tourists may want to follow the nature trails, some may simply stare out to sea. Filled with colorful fish and kaleidoscopic corals, the crystal-clear waters of the Andaman Sea feature some of the world's richest and least spoilt marine reserves, perfect for snorkeling and scuba diving. To experience it all, many travelers opt to take boat tours of Mahatma Gandhi Marine National Park, where they can see coral and sea turtles in particular. No matter your view, one Travels and Leisure reader promises, it will be nothing short of breathtaking. Although parts of the archipelago still see few visitors, the Andamans are now firmly on the tourist circuit.